I think in regards to the tariffs that it's going to affect all the small businesses, and eventually it's going to trickle down to where the consumers are going to end up paying the most money throughout the year.
Tremendous respect for President Xi and a great relationship. They're helping us a lot. North Korea, it's China.
Agriculture survives based on exports, and if we lose that opportunity, it's going to be a deep problem for agriculture and rural communities, because we won't be buying pickups or eating at the local diner.
America, just about everywhere you go, whether you're looking at clothing or you're looking at some things in the grocery store, a lot of things that you see packaged, your clothing and your toys and your appliances and your televisions are made in China. And there's car parts that are made in China.
What I would like to see is folks sit down and talk about some of the issues related to some of those trade disputes, some of the concerns that the United States has with Chinese exports to us, and some of the concerns China might have with what we sell them or send to them.